Hi, it's Annie. Welcome back. And if you're new, you are welcome as well. So, Figma Config 2025 was fire. And in today's video, we're diving into all the exciting updates and new products. So, let's start with Figma Draw. Just last week, I needed to add a brushstroke design to a project I was working on, to give it that hand drawn look. But it wasn't getting exactly what I wanted. Not until I saw the updates, then I saw the Figma Draw features. That smile when your eyes glow up? I was so happy. With Figma Draw, you have more flexibility with tools for more expressive design. Figma Draw has all these graphic design tools. You can create detailed icons and illustrations with new brushes, fill, and effects. No more limitations when it comes to editing vectors. Figma Draw comes with over 20 new powerful features that make vector more useful. We can now edit multiple shapes at once, add noise, and add texture. Even your typography will no longer be constrained to straight lines alone, and you no longer need plugins for that, as you can now seamlessly wrap text around any vector. Guys, it's amazing. Next is Figma Grid. This is an upgrade to our regular auto layout section. It will save us time when trying to create responsive layouts. Now, with the grid-based auto layout, you can add any number of rows and columns to your design. You can insert elements like images into each row and columns, and it's instantly responsive. You can resize the artboard or adjust it by just moving it to the left, right, or top or bottom. So you can even replace each element in the columns or the rows, and you can as well switch positions of different elements. Creating responsive bento layouts, dashboards, and galleries have been made easier. No more wasting time resizing. So the auto layout section will have a little redesign. You'll be able to switch between different layout modes like horizontal and vertical, like we already do. And now with the grid based layouts added. Now, guess what? It's friendly with dev mode. It's mapped directly to CSS grid, so developers can translate into code easily, seamlessly bringing your designs to life. The next product Figma launched is Figma Buzz. With it, asset production is made easy. You can publish brand templates for your organization to quickly create assets for social media, display ads, thumbnails, posters, and many more. Buzz is great for organizations or just people who are making bulk edits. It ensures brand consistency across all materials. You can create bulk designs in minutes, updating everything from text to background pattern with the multiple editing feature. Now, you mustn't be a designer before you can use Figma Buzz. It brings a basic design editor for people who do not know how to use Figma. Literally, anyone can tweak the assets you have given them access to in your design. So they can easily replace images, text, just the way we do it in Canva. It also allows you to import data directly from a spreadsheet or Excel file to generate thousands of brand assets simultaneously in just a few clicks. The next product is Fire, Figma Sites. Figma Sites is my absolute favorite. Many designers have been waiting for this for so long. I mean, why should I design and then export to Framer or other no code tools to make my design go live? With Figma Sites, you can easily design, prototype, and publish responsive websites with different breakpoints. You can easily drag in components from your libraries and they automatically adapt to the different screen sizes. You can even simply copy and paste your existing Figma designs right into Figma Sites. So that way you don't have to start from the scratch. The best part, the preview window is real HTML and CSS. Once you are done and satisfied with your design, just hit publish button and your site is live. Aside this, they have Figma CMS, which is coming very soon this year. It will allow you to create blogs for your website, which makes it more useful. Amazing, right? Now you can design and publish that portfolio website of yours, or maybe your personal website. Yeah. Then finally, we have Figma Make. So Figma Make is basically an AI tool that allows you to add more responsiveness to your design. This is next level prototyping. No more getting stuck, guys. You can give it a simple prompt on how you want your design to work and it makes it happen. This looks like it will replace what we know as prototyping, really. You can literally build a 3D game inside Figma. Yes, whatever concept you have, you can bring it to life. This reminds me of Google AI Studio. Guys, you can build anything in that Google AI Studio. You can write code, you can bring in an image of something you want to add to your design, and it will add it. It will design it or redesign it for you based on the instruction or prompt you give it. It will also write the code for you as well. And I wondered, can Figma just upgrade to this? And now, here we are. Kudos, Figma. Kudos to the entire Figma team. You guys are amazing. I don't even know my favorite again, if it's the Figma Sites or Figma Make. I'm so excited, guys. Honestly, I'm excited. So, which is your favorite product? I know you have one or two. Let me know in the comment section. Just so you know, use cases and tutorials on these new updates will be coming up on my channel so we can all learn. If you like the sound of that, like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I make a new video. Thank you for watching.